What if you invest just once and LIC pays you income every year till age 100? What if your money grows with guaranteed 5.5% compound interest even when future interest rates are uncertain? Friends, this is not a dream. This is LIC's new plan, Jeevan Utsav, plan number 883. Utsav means festival and Jeevan Utsav means festival of life. This is a game changer plan with one-time commitment, guaranteed income for lifetime, whole life protection till age 100. This is a single premium plan, non-linked, non-participating savings whole life plan. Entry age 30 days to 65 years, policy runs till 100 years of age. Minimum sum assured 5 lakh rupees, maximum no limit. For 7 to 17 years, LIC adds guaranteed additions at the rate of 40 rupees per 1000 rupees sum assured every year. After the guaranteed addition period, LIC pays 10% of your basic sum assured every year for your entire lifetime up to age 100. Income starts from 8th policy year to 18th policy year based on your selected guaranteed addition period. Two powerful income options. Option 1. Regular income. Get 10% income every year directly in your bank account till age 100. Option 2. Flexi income. Your income stays with LIC and grows at 5.5% guaranteed compound interest. You can withdraw up to 75% anytime once in a policy year as per your need. On death or at age 100, LIC pays the higher of basic sum assured or 1.25 times single premium plus guaranteed additions. Extra benefits, loan facility available, surrender option available, ADDB rider and term assurance rider available. Why Jeevan Utsav is perfect for you? One-time premium, guaranteed lifetime income, anytime money for life, increasing pension plan, whole life plan for estate creation, tax-free pension plan, ideal for MWP plan, children education, daughter's marriage, retirement, anniversary gifts, 3 generations planning. When the future is uncertain, LIC guarantees 5.5% compound interest for life. This is not just a policy. This is LIC Jeevan Utsav, a festival of life. For full details and personalized illustration, call or WhatsApp at 703-4743-928 or 8884572513. Like, share, subscribe for more LIC updates and smart investment plans. Thank you.